Good morning. I've said before that I don't water my grapes, and since most of the West is in a considerable drought, we have, it's been approximately 3 years that we have not seen our spring and fall rains. So I'm guessing, and it's only a guess because I can't find the actual statistics, I'm guessing that we got about half of the rain that we normally get, or the precipitation. That includes the snow during the winter. And I've noticed that some of the grapes are starting to pull back. They're nowhere near as wild even as they were last year, and there aren't as many grapes on them, which is completely understandable because they have to make the same amount of water go farther. But I've also noticed this. This grapevine is probably 30 years old. I'm not sure actually, but I know Mom planted it from a start from her oldest Concord. The next one down is a Concord interlock and cross, which really has nothing to do with the topic at hand. But anyway, so I noticed that the end of this vine, back to the trunk, it looks like, has pretty much died back. So I'll be cutting that off in the fall, but I just noticed it looked good in the spring, but the plant has abandoned it. There's one little tiny green leaf right here. The plant has abandoned it because it's pulling its energy back to preserve the more productive plant. I just thought that was interesting. I think it's probably because of the drought. I don't know for sure, of course, but that is my thought. If you look at the grapes here, by this time last year, this grape, okay, you see the end of the vine, and all of this had spread to fill all this space, and all of this had filled in to fill all of this space. So they are much, as far as growth, they are far behind where they usually are. And that's actually one of the things that I like about dry farming the grapes, is that the plants aren't nearly as wild. They don't grow everywhere. They're growing on the chain link in a couple of places, but it's easy to just walk past and yank them off. Previous years, this whole thing all the way up to the fence up there and coming out all the way over here has all been just grapevines everywhere, which is probably my own fault, but whatever. That's just the way it works. I will talk with you later.